In a world filled with chaos and uncertainty, there exist selfless individuals who dedicate their lives to serving humanity. Missionary nuns and priests have been the backbone of our society, providing love, care, and support to the needy. But now, they face an unexpected challenge. Recently, the Supreme Court ruled that salaries of nuns and priests working in government-aided schools are subject to income tax. While we respect the law, we question the fairness. Should those who dedicate their lives to serving others be taxed similarly to those in lucrative professions? Missionary nuns and priests have transformed countless lives through education, healthcare, and social welfare initiatives. They've established schools, hospitals, and orphanages, providing hope to the marginalized. Their selflessness and compassion inspire us all. Meanwhile, our elected representatives enjoy luxurious lifestyles, funded by taxpayer money. They receive perks, privileges, and exemptions. Is it fair to tax those who serve humanity while others enjoy lavish benefits? Let's stand together for fairness and justice. Demand equal treatment for those who truly serve the nation. Share this message, tag your representatives. Together, we can make a difference. Missionary nuns and priests, unsung heroes, deserving our gratitude and support. Let's recognize their sacrifices and advocate for fairness.